Going to cover several things on GF12 machines and the trays. First, open the door for the machine. Locate the power switch and turn power off. To remove the tray, first locate the tray harness connector. Disconnect the connector. Remove the harness from the strain relief and lay aside. To remove the tray from the machine, raise the front of the tray up, pull towards you, keep the tray up to miss the tray locks located inside the cabinet. To remove a motor from the tray, locate the tray wire connectors, record the color to each terminal, then disconnect. You may be required to have needle nose pliers or a small flat screwdriver to assist in removing the terminals. And to remove the motor, push the forward tab down and back, raise the motor up, remove the coil, and remove the motor. To remove and replace the auger coupling, locate the turn down portion of the coil. There's a detent on either side. Push in, turn the auger coupler away, and tip it out. To reinstall, locate the detents and the alignment pin on the other side. Place the pin between the coils and turn the coil or the auger coupling into place. The coil may be timed in the tray, such as this coil, or it may be timed in any clocking position due to the auger coupling being splined. It may be important to remember to locate the initial timing position before removing the coil. When reinstalling the coil, there are two sets of blades on the auger coupling. One set of blades goes behind the locator in the tray, and one before, which keeps the coil from being dislodged from the tray. To reinstall the motor, there are two tabs at the bottom of the motor and the snap tab at the top. If you align the bottom two tabs, to reinsert the coil, spline the coil into the hub, place the bottom two locator tabs in the tray, the auger coupling and the lower motor tabs should be in this configuration. Then press forward on the motor to install the top locking tab. Replace the wires to their original position. Confirm the correct clock position of the coil. To reinstall the tray, place the tray in place. Ensure the tray is installed so that it is being retained by the lock bolts. Turn the tray to its rearward position. Reinstall the harness connector into the cabinet harness and reinstall the harness into the strain relief. Return power to the machine. locate the service mode button. Press the service mode button. Press 2 for a fresh motor count. Press 8 for single motor test. Enter the selection number to test the motor. That completes your motor removal and installation.